Hey Warren, you like your new toy?
Look at Daddy.
Hey, Warren. Oh, he likes it.
Do you like your toy?
He says yes, yeah.
It has a book. Are you ready to jump? Is that fun? You like that?
Why don't you show him all the things on it?
So we have your book. Oh, you want to look at the horse? Okay, your book. And then we have your bird. And then we have a tomato. And a corn. And a carrot. And then we have some pigs. And a cat. And numbers. And a chicken. And letters. And a cow. And a horsey. And then last and most wonderful is a mirror where you can look at yourself. And then you know what happens? You ready? Jump! You want to do it again?
Jump!
One more time? Is that fun? You like it? Happy birthday.
3-month birthday.
Happy 3-month birthday.
Woo!